Alright, so this car just hit a pothole and there's a rattling noise coming from the driver's side back. We're gonna take the tire off and see what the problem is. Okay, so it looks like the shock absorber is gone. So we just need to get the new part and replace it. We had to take off this panel, this whole section, which is down there. We had to take all that off just to get to the top shock absorber bolt. I see it. There's the ball. Right there. Take all this off from the battery area, all the way from there. Take this, pull it out this way and you'll see it. So now that we've taken the shock absorber off, I'm gonna take off the two bolts, the ones that are underneath. Okay, so we've got it out. We've got the bottom bracket out. So this is the bottom of the shock. You've got two 10 mils that's sitting there like that. And this one's a 17 that goes underneath. Took the bottom 17 mil off first, and then the top 17 mil. This one goes at the top by the battery area. Now we're gonna get the new one, start fitting it up. All right, so we've got the new bracket from BMW. We're gonna stick it on the car, and I'm sure it sits in like that. Alright, the two 10 mils are in. Now we're going to put the shock absorber inside and tighten the bottom or the top. Okay, the new shock absorber is going in. So we just finished putting the bottom one on. Now we're going to be putting the top one on to the shock absorber. Alright, so we just finished putting the top bolt on. We finished putting the bottom bolt on. So the shock absorber is basically back on. We got to put all these panels now back onto the battery cover and all the rest of the carpet. So we're just going to fit that up now, and that should be done. The shock absorber done on the BMW C20i. He's going to drive it now and find out if it breaks again.